Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a smoky eye using the ABH Modern Renaissance palette and the Jacqueline Guido eyeshadow palette. I'm using Rachuelle in my crease as my transition shade, and I'm just blending that in circular motions.
Girl, you do something to me, yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Get over you until I find something new. Get me high like you do. Listen to my heart.
Now I'm going in with burnt orange to blend out the edges of Rachuelle, and then I'm going in with Vanity and red, which is like a purple, and just blending that into my crease and just adding as much color until I'm satisfied.
It just won't stop and go Kiki. Love me, are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want ya, and I need ya, and I'm down for you always. KB, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want ya, and I need ya.
For my lids, I'm using the color Life from the Jacqueline Guido eyeshadow palette, and first placing it on my lids and then blending it out into the other colors so we have a smooth transition of shades.
When you get to top and I see that you've been learning, and when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it, and when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you were the one from the jump that confirmed it. Trap money Benny, I buy you champagne but you love some Henny. From the block like you Jenny, I know you special girl cause I know too many. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want ya, and I need ya, and I'm down for you always. KB, do you love me?
Moving on to the face, as you guys can see, I've already done my lashes and my eyeliner off camera to save time. But if you guys want to see how I do my eyeliner, just let me know. I've primed my face with my Revolution priming water, and for foundation I'm mixing my Bobbi Brown and Black Opal foundation, and I'm just buffing that in with my Morphe Y6 foundation brush.
Ooh, no, I'll never get over you. Listen to my heart go wild. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. I want ya, and I need ya.
I'm going in with my Black Opal under eye concealer and placing that on my T-zone except for my forehead, and then I'm going to spray that with some setting spray before blending it in, because I found that it helps me blend out my concealer better and keeps my face hydrated.
And I'm down for you always.
I'm blending my concealer out with my sponge, and then I'm going in with my foundation brush to blend out my concealer into my foundation so we don't have any harsh demarcation lines. And then I'm going to set my face using my Black Opal finishing powder and then spray it to keep my face hydrated after I've placed all the powders on it.
Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me, yeah. For the longest we were jamming in the party, and you're whining on me, pushing everything right back on top of me, yeah. And if you think you're gonna get away from me, you better change your mind. You're coming home, you're coming home with me tonight. Let me hold you, girl, caress my body. You got me going crazy, you turn me on,
I'm contouring with my usual contour palette and then placing blush on my cheekbones and then going to finish off my eyes.
turn me on, turn me on, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Hug me, give me screaming. Hug me, kiss and caress me. Hug me, give me screaming. Hug me, kiss and caress me. Tell me, I need to know, where do you wanna go? 'Cause if you're down, I'll take it slow, make you lose control. Where, 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 where.
And now I'm placing glaze from the Jackie Guido palette in my inner corner, and I put life under my eyes. Now it's time for highlight, and I think this is my favorite highlight that I own. I just picked it up the other day and I realized how much I love it. But yes, I'm using my Morphe R36 highlight brush and just placing it on the high points of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. And then I'm going to blend that in and set my face.
I'm gonna make you feel dangerous. Something about you, baby. Makes you wanna do things that you shouldn't.
For lips, I'm using just a normal dark brown pencil and the NYX lip cream. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Girl, you do something to me. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do.